Welcome, fellow nature enthusiasts, to a comprehensive exploration of the African elephant, an iconic symbol of the savannah's grace and resilience. Today, we'll delve deep into the intricate tapestry of their biology, the harmonious dance within their ecosystem, and the ongoing efforts to secure their place in the wild. In the heart of Africa, where the sun kisses the earth, resides the African elephant, a living testament to time. Their biology echoes a rich history, their existence a symphony of ancient wisdom. With tusks sculpted by nature's artistry, these giants walk among us as living ancestors, their very presence an embodiment of the savannah's enduring spirit. Let's unravel the marvels of their anatomy. The tusks, formidable and yet vulnerable, are intricately linked to their identity. These ivory structures are not just tools, but storytellers of their journey. The trunk, a masterpiece of evolution, acts as a versatile appendage, guiding, caressing, and expressing the myriad emotions that course through their collective consciousness. Within the savannah's vast canvas, a social tapestry unfolds. African elephants are not solitary beings, but intricate threads woven into the fabric of familial bonds and community connections. Watch as the matriarch guides her family through the labyrinth of life, and observe the playful interactions that underscore the importance of kinship in their society. The ecology of the African elephant extends far beyond their magnificent presence. They are architects of their ecosystem, shaping landscapes with a profound impact on biodiversity. Their browsing and grazing patterns not only sustain their own existence, but also contribute to the delicate balance of flora and fauna, fostering a biodiversity that thrives in their presence. Witness the migration symphony, a rhythmic journey across the savannah. Nomads of the land, their migrations are not just a quest for sustenance, but a harmonious ballet. In their nomadic footsteps, we find the pulse of the land, the beating heart of an ecosystem that resonates with the timeless rhythms of the natural world. Amidst the beauty lies the silent struggles, human-wildlife conflict, habitat loss, and the ever-present threat of poaching casts shadows on the savannah's serenity, challenging the delicate equilibrium. Yet, amidst the shadows emerges a beacon of hope. The tireless efforts of conservationists and communities working hand in hand to safeguard the future of these gentle giants. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a golden glow over the vast savannah, we conclude our journey into the world of African elephants. If you found solace in this exploration, consider joining us on future journeys into the wonders of the natural world. Subscribe for more reflections on the interconnectedness of life. Until next time, may your spirit resonate with the harmonies of the wild.